Hey guys, it's Oana here and Ninja on the table from MMT, and we're gonna treat some quads today. We're targeting like old injuries and like scar tissue in the tissue. So we might start from the lower quads. I'm just gonna get Ninja a little bit to the side in here. And we just make sure we sink in really slow.
Feels good.
Not using any wax for now. Let me know how you feeling it.
That's fine. It feels therapeutic. Feels really good.
Yeah, so I've been seeing a few people that play quite a bit of sports and they had like small tears along the time in the quads. Didn't see anyone for it, and sort of like still there lingering, and obviously they noticed it's affecting the range of motion of the knee, and or if like the tear was maybe further up, it can impact the hip flexion.
Whoa, so good.
So yeah, you might feel some referral going down the knee or getting a bit of twitching higher up.
Beautiful day, hey Oana.
Yeah.
So good.
Beautiful to be in the sun.
Yeah. Tops off for a quad treatment, that's pretty cool. Get some sun.
That's how we run.
That's it. So good. Yeah. Set up an outdoor clinic, what do you think?
Yep.
Yeah. Be good.
It's a good day for it, yeah.
Yeah. Give the option.
So yeah, we might sit here even for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Just to help it melt down and
Jeez.
clear the alleyways. That's how you say it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, just restore the flow into the tissues.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know I had that in there. It's pretty old kind of feeling. Feels brutal.
Yeah, it's a.
Dear.
We're hitting a bit of rec fem and vastus lateralis.
Yeah. Vastus lateralis is such a massive muscle too.
Yeah,
Like
it's quite massive, and it sort of blends in with the ITB.
Yeah, and you can actually see it from the back as well. So.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Oana, what are you doing to me? Ah! Ah, you wait till I do your video. It's good. Oh, I'm through.
Already.
Oh, it feels good to be through that little bit. Yeah. Got to go through it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Go through it. That's it. The only way to go to evolve, eh? Yeah. So good.
Yeah, pain is like a valuable piece of information.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's so valuable.
Makes you a bit more connected to your body.
Oh, yeah. It's the rewards, isn't it? So you got to go through that. Oh, dear, oh dear. Yeah, so the deep tissue work, it's not without challenge, you know. You got to break things down. You really need to hold on to things and wait for it to change. It's a lot of times this stuff is so hard and stuck and stubborn, it just doesn't melt with the lighter, faster kind of work. It just won't change. You'd probably traumatize it more because you're irritating it, whereas this way we'd really plowing through.
You gotta allow it to melt.
Yeah.
Hold space for that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's one of the things we do is try to create that safe space, you know, where there's trust and things, so that you can endure what is required to get better. It's really important. Connecting with the practitioner, you know, you understand what's going on, you understand the process, you understand each other's goals, intentions, and you can go to work. Such a good stroke, Oana.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish up slowly in here, sink out. And I might get Lynch's leg a little bit to the side so we can get him a bit involved, just to do a bit of knee extension. Oh, we're just hitting it more on the side in here.
So start moving.
Yeah,
Or not
start
now?
moving. Yeah, you can start moving slowly.
So when my foot goes down, the quad kind of stretches a little and
Yeah.
probably let you in more.
Yeah, we help to lengthen a bit the muscle. So
Yeah.
working through it.
Wow, that's intense. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Jeez. Slowed.
And just changing the angle a bit.
This is brutal. Jeez. Oh dear.
It will help you sprint better.
Yeah, well,
Friday.
I'll be happy on Friday, won't I? Be singing your praises. Yeah, that's what you got to keep your mind on, the prize, your goals, why you want to be better, and then you're kind of more willing to go down these pathways. So, yeah, it's an opportunity on the other side of this to perform better, have less pain, more range of movement, things like that. So, wow, there's some big scar tissue I could sort of sense through there, like some old.
Have you had like past tears?
Not tears, but
strains or
yeah, we call it corkies here in Australia.
Yeah.
But where it happens
Footy.
when you get the real hard knock knee in your quads and things like that, playing football and basketball and things, there is actually tears because it's like something
it's quite
hits.
brutal.
Yeah,
the
there's
impact
it's explosions because you get it hit and then it's got to go somewhere. There's all these tears and scars. And so I've had some really big hits like 30 years ago and stuff, and but they're still there, you know. So yeah, there's probably unleashing some potential in my legs that has been sort of restricted by that old scar tissue that has never been fully worked out. It's over-scarred and things. So yeah, I'm happy to have been through that little experience before, 'cause it was intense. It's really satisfying when you sink out. Yeah, satisfying when you feel a release.
The other way a bit. So I might get your leg back here. So I'm just trying to find just the front of the hip bone where we've got some tendons where the quads originate from, and yeah, we've got other muscles around here like sartorius, pectineus, TFL.
You're a walking anatomy knowledge person. Drop me bloody.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice day here in Melbourne. Coming into summer. Summer next week. So yeah, it's good. How's
it feeling through here?
Yeah, it's good. I know that it's good for me, but it's not too intense.
Mm-hmm.
Do
you feel it a bit more medially or?
No, I reckon you're going down the right line.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had some TFL treatments just on these videos, and
yeah.
what I've realised is I didn't realise I had any problems. Like I didn't realise I had anything going on in my quads. Didn't have awareness, but when you have treatment, the sensations tell you there is restriction and issues because it's just so intense, and then the difference you feel later in your performance and just freedom it's quite profound. And before that, a lot of times you don't have awareness, and like I suppose when people do have pain and restriction and they notice it, it's sort of like perhaps you could have been getting some deep body work well before that tension
just
got
after it happened.
got to the boiling point, so we believe everybody on the planet should be getting some body work done. It's so important to get cared for or care for yourself, and to connect in with another human. We don't want a robot to be doing this. We want to actually be in somebody's heart space and engage and share some life together, and have a common goal. So we want to get people to feel better and achieve that they want to achieve, or experience what they want to experience without the pain and restrictions that are in their body. And
you eventually help them to connect better with themselves and with others around them.
Yep. Whoa. Yeah, in there. I think that the first run you did through has really cleared a lot of that path.
Going up, yeah.
In that same region, I can still sense the remnants are there, but you've knocked the top off it, type of thing. I feel like the outer tension is reduced.
Sprints every Friday still, yeah?
Rest of my life. That's the plan, that's the goal. So to do what it takes to make that happen, that's the ultimate, in my opinion. It's free,
No, it's so inspiring, your dedication to them.
It's simple.
It's simple, It's there, available.
Yeah,
The flies love us.
Don't need any money.
Or equipment.
No equipment.
Your bare feet.
We get
and
rid
your
of our
presence.
equipment, don't we? We get rid of our shoes and if the weather's like this, get your tops off, just run around in your undies. Especially if you got some nice bulldog undies. It's good to run around in the park. Next level is nude, isn't it, Oana? Find a good sand dune or something and run across it nude. You do some nude hiking, Oana, or?
Didn't get to that level.
Well, you got something to aspire to. When you know you're in a bit of a patch where you won't pass anyone, get the clothes off and really getting connection with nature, huh?
Yep.
I'm talking from experience, I reckon it's good. Go and hug a tree in the nude.
I might come the other way. I like to sort of get the person to activate their quads, so I sort of just pin these tendons in here.
Yeah.
Whoa. We've got some good stuff here.
Whoa. I'm good.
Not too brutal. And I might get Ninja to just push with this knee into my hand. Try to resist me. And relax.
Whoa.
We're keeping the pressure in here around the tendons. And maybe push one more time.
Remember a couple of years ago you were out here in an ice bath, Oana? Remember that? You saw the other day in the videos.
Yeah, it was a bit full on.
How hard was that for you?
Well, I did it.
You did it? You survived? You're still talking about it?
4 minutes.
4 minutes, jeez. It's pretty brutal.
Good initiation.
Yeah, you can do that, you can do anything. Memorable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Never
went in the
forget
quarry.
it.
Yeah, we went on the quarry on Friday, Sunday, a few days ago. Yeah, the guys will remember that long time. My inspirational speech. Yeah. Leo captured it on a reel on Instagram. So can't have a look at it if you haven't seen it, guys. Ah.
Yeah, we're just changing the angles a bit.
Yeah.
Again. So yeah, it's important to, I guess, use your intuition. Where do you feel it a bit more jammed up?
Yeah.
Alrighty. We will wrap it up here.
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy to be going through that. Like, it's just, I didn't realise. I suppose, like, as soon as you went through some of those spots, it triggered 20, 30 year ago memories of getting smashed in the quads, you know, someone coming through from the other direction and things like that. So you brought back those memories. So we kind of hold memory in our body, in our fascia.
Yeah,
so you can go straight back to those points in time just instantly like that. So
just
yeah,
trying to unblock them and
yeah,
restore the normal flow
Yeah.
of blood and lymph and everything, like get some fresh oxygen in the tissues.
Yeah, that's it. You got to feel it to heal it.
Yeah,
you know? We're talking
that's
physical
right.
or
That's
emotional
right.
kind of traumas and pain. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
it. Cool. So
Anyway, guys, if you have any old quads injuries and you want to like restore your have like a better range of motion in your hip, in your knee, just come to MMT and get fixed.
yeah, that's
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you. Like, subscribe, share our videos. Look at our links below. Patreon, all the calendar. Buy the calendar. Oana won't be in it. Maybe next year. I think she's going to do one. Yeah. So yeah. Thank you for your
Thanks,
support.
guys.
Yeah. See you next time. Done.
And